Now let us do the exercise part. First is the fill in the blanks with correct word. The mode in which an organism make its own food is called dash is called as autotrophic nutrition. Second, the green pigment found in leaves is present in a structure called what? Chloroplasts. Third one, water and other nutrient absorbed by the roots are transported from the roots to other parts of the plant through the structure called xylem. Fourth one, the root of saprophytic plant contain what? Contain fungi that convert dead and decaying matter into nutrient. Fifth one, the dash, the symbiotic association between rhizobium and leguminous plant replenish the soil with nitrogen. Next come to true and false with the correct false statement. First one. All plant are autotrophic in nature? No. Answer is false. Green plant are autotrophic in nature. Second one. Plant make food in form of starch as a result of photosynthesis? No. This is also false because plant make food in form of a sugar, not starch. Third one. The leaf of pitcher plant is modified uh, tubular pitcher to trap the insect? Yes, it is true. Fourth one, lichens are a parasitic relationship between a fungus and a bacteria. Answer is false. Not parasitic, it is symbiotic. Because symbiotic has a good relationship between fungus and bacteria. Fifth one, farmer grow leguminous plant alternately with other crop to restore potassium and phosphorus content of the soil. No, it what it does, it store nitrogen content. The answer is false. Now choose the correct option. Which of these absorb light energy? Answer is chlorophyll. A, chlorophyll. Second one, which of these increase the surface area to absorb water and mineral through the roots? The answer is C, root hair. Which of these is the reason for heterotrophic nutrition in certain plants? They do contain chlorophyll, they do not contain chlorophyll, they grow in a place where there isn't enough light, they depend on the other organism for certain specific nutrient. The answer will be all of these. Fourth one, which of these plant live in the association with other organism in such a way that both gain each other, दोनों एक दूसरे को gain करते हैं, तुम्हारा भी फायदा मेरा भी फायदा. That is what symbiotic plant. Fifth one, which of these does a sundew plant have to trapping and digesting the insect? The answer is tentacles and mucilage. Sixth one, which of these is needed for photosynthesis? So the answer is chlorophyll, sunlight, and water, carbon dioxide. Means all of these. So, seventh one, which of these help to leaves to get carbon dioxide for photosynthesis? So, the answer is stomata. Which of these tissue help in conducting prepared food from leaves to the roots? It is what? Phloem. Which of these plant live off dead and rotting material? That is saprophytic. Tenth one, which of the following do pea plant get into a symbiotic relationship with? Answer is C, bacteria. In very short, you have to write two examples for the following. First one is plant that have autotrophic mode of nutrition. It is what? Mango and rose. Now, second one, plant that have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. It was pitcher and mistletoe. Third one, plant that grow in nitrogen deficient soil, that is Drosera and bladderwort. Fourth one, plant that harm their host plant, that is was Cascata and mistletoe. Then the fifth one, symbiotic plants example is pea plant and bacteria lichens. Now let us come to the short question answers. First short question. Define heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Name the four types of heterotrophic nutrition in plant. The answer you will find in page number 16. So open page number 16 and see over here. That is, I have marked here the mode of nutrition in which an organism depend on the other organism for food is called heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, till this bracket you have to write. Then what are the types? In types you will write heterotrophic plants are parasitic, saprophytic plant, insectivorous plant and symbiotic plant. Okay, so this is your short question first. Okay, next question. Next question is what? Next short question is how do parasitic plant benefit from their host plant? So the answer will be what? Again come to page number 16. So the answer will be parasitic plant develop special root which penetrate into the tissue of the host plant. The prepared food is generally absorbed from the root और द स्टेम ऑफ द होस्ट प्लांट. तो पैरासाइटिक प्लांट क्या करते हैं, उनके स्पेशल रूट्स रहते हैं जो पेनिट्रेट करते हैं इनटू द टिश्यू. किसके टिश्यू में? होस्ट प्लांट के, जिसमें वो रहते हैं. एंड दे प्रिपेयर देयर फूड एंड दे एब्जॉर्ब it by the roots and the stem. Third one. Third question is short question. What is symbiotic association in lichens? Come to page number 18. In page number 18 you have to write this part which I have marked. Lichens are symbiotic association between what? Between fungus and microscopic chlorophyll containing organism. Green algae, that is the algae, provide nutrient to the fungus and fungus helps the algae to grow harsh condition and place where they would otherwise not survive. Now come to the long question answers. What is the first long question? The first long question is, with the help of a label diagram, describe the process of photosynthesis in autotrophs. For this, you have to come to page number 13. So let us come to page number 13. Here you have to write and draw the diagram. This diagram you have to draw. Okay, I have marked it as long question. Then you have to write these points. First you will start from plant, take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the soil. Water reacts with carbon dioxide in presence of light, that is the sunlight, and chlorophyll to produce the sugar and oxygen. The sugar so produced is stored in form of a starch in various parts of the plant and oxygen is released. So this reaction also you have to write carbon dioxide plus water in presence of light, chlorophyll gives what? Sugar plus oxygen. Till this much, till the bracket ends you will write. Next, second long question. Second long question is, describe how insectivorous plants trap and digest the insect for nutrition. Support your answer with example. So for this come to page number 18. In page number 18 you have to write both this insectivorous plant. About Venus flytrap has the leaves modified to trap the insect. The inner surface of the leaf have short stiff hair. When an insect touches the hair, the leaf snaps shut in less than a second. The insect is then trapped and these are digested. And the second point you will write about the pitcher plant. The leaf of the pitcher plant is modified to form a tabular pitcher like structure and the inside of the pitcher is lined with a downward pointing head that do not allow any trapped insect to climb up and escape. The fluid at the bottom of the pitcher contain what? Digestive juice that digest and trap the insect. So this much till the bracket ends you will write. Now long question third. Discuss the different ways in which nutrients are replenished into the soil. आपको ways लिखना है जिसमें nutrient are replenished करता है soil में. You will write this answer from page number 19. So in page number 19, you will write it from replenish of nutrient in the soil ka. The manures and fertilizer are used to replenish the nutrient in the soil. Besides nitrogen, they also contain what? Potassium and phosphorus needed by the plant for healthy growth. The symbiotic association of rhizobium and leguminous plant such as pea plant is a natural way of replenishing the soil with nitrogen. So sometimes farmers grow leguminous plant alternately with the other crops to restore the nitrogen content of the soil. So these are the long question as well as short question you will write in your fair notebook FNB. Thank you.